Welcome to PK Learning. In this video we will discuss the important MCQs about plant breeding. Let's start it. And first question is, when the plants are selected on the basis of useful variation for vegetative multiplication, it is known as mass selection, pure line selection, clonal selection, or polyploid selection. And answer is C, clonal selection. useful Useful variation for vegetative multiplication, it is known as clonal selection. C is correct option. And next question is, maize is often called endangered corn, pampered corn, sterile corn, or fertile corn. And answer is B, pampered corn. Maize is often called pampered corn. B is correct option. And next question is, Sharvati Sonara, a wheat variety, has amber color, red color, grey color, or brown color. And answer is A, amber color. Sharvati Sonora has amber color. A is correct option. And next question is, hybrid vigar is known as heterozygous, inbreeding depression, emasculation, or heterosis. And answer is D, heterosis. Hybrid vigar is known as heterosis. D is correct option. And next question is, change in chromosome structure called polyploidy, chromosomal aberration, gene mutation, or recombination. And answer is B, chromosomal aberration. Change in chromosome structure called chromosomal aberration. B is correct option. And next question is, production of haploid plants by anther culture was first reported in Oryza, Datura, Phaseolus triticum. And answer is B, Datura. Production of haploid plants by anther culture first reported in Datura. B is correct option. And next question is, Carchora species yield cereal grains, sugar, jute, or rubber. And answer is C, jute. Carchora yield jute. C is correct option. And next question is, an example of oil yielding plant is Arachis hypogaea, Oryza sativa, Piper nigrum, or none of these. And answer is A, Arachis hypogaea. Oil yielding plant example is Arachis hypogaea. A is correct option. And next question is, an example of rubber yielding plant is Ricinus communis, Arachis hypogaea, Thea sinensis, or Hevea brasiliensis. And answer is D, Hevea brasiliensis. Rubber yielding plant is Hevea brasiliensis. D is correct option. And next question is, the richest source of carbohydrate is gram, pea, wheat, or rice. And answer is D, rice. Richest source of carbohydrate, rice. D is correct option. And next question is, the most nutritious fruit is banana, lychee, grapes, or orange. And answer is A, banana. The most nutritious fruit, banana. A is correct option. And next question is, the richest source of protein is rice, wheat, gram, or maize. And answer is C, gram. Richest source of protein is gram. C is correct option. And next question is, jute is produced from primary phloem, secondary phloem, tertiary phloem, or parenchyma. And answer is B, secondary phloem. Jute is produced from secondary phloem. B is correct option. And next question is, International Rice Research Institute is located at Coimbatore, Hong Kong, Philippines, or none of these. And answer is A, Coimbatore. International Rice Research Institute, Coimbatore. A is correct option. And next question is, homozygosity is produced when inbreeding continues for 2 generation, 5 generation, 8 generation, or 10 generation. And answer is D, 10 generation. Homozygosity is produced when inbreeding continues for 10 generation. D is correct option. And next question is, Polyploidy exhibits reduced growth, Gigas effect, recessive gene, or none of these. And answer is B, Gigas effect. Polyploidy exhibits Gigas effect. B is correct option. And next question is, in case of sugar beet, the best varieties are haploids, diploids, triploids, or tetraploids. And answer is C, triploids. Sugar beet best varieties are triploids. C is correct option. And next question is, colchicine brings about gene mutation, chromosome aberration, replication, or duplication of chromosome. And answer is D, duplication of chromosomes. Colchicine brings about duplication of chromosome. D is correct option. And next question is, Bombay green banana has developed from mass selection, pure line selection, clonal selection, or none of these. And answer is C, clonal selection. Bombay green banana developed from clonal selection. C is correct option. And next question is, polyploidy is generally induced by kinetin GA3, colchicine, or indole acetic acid. And answer is C, colchicine. Polyploidy is generally induced by colchicine. C is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.